We're doing a recap of the must-have items of 2024. The items I bought this year that I thought were really, really great, and I have one item that just was pure junk. So this one is a 11-inch 1000 watt skillet. And the reason why I like it, it's filthy right now. I just got done cooking with it. And the reason why I like it is it's only 1 inch smaller than the big skillets, but 1000 watts means I can use it normally when I'm at a campsite, or when I'm boondocking, I can run this off of my power inverter because my power inverter is 1200 watts and below, and 1000 watts is perfect for it. So, and if you watch my channel, I have a rule of keep everything 1000 watts and below. That way you're not sucking your battery dry, you're not using too much solar, you're not spending a bunch of money on this, stuff like solar. And that's my rule. So I love that they make a 11-inch skillet that is 1000 watts. So this is an item I didn't know I was going to love, and when I got it and used it, I just love it. This is a like a bug deterrent, and has a little tiny flame in here. It uses the isobutane cartridges, and the little flame. This tank will last you forever. I've used it the entire year, and it's maybe 1/3 empty, so it lasts forever. And this little tiny pad up here, which they're not super expensive, they're fairly decent on price. They keep away the bugs for about a 15-foot zone. So you can put this thing outside in your camp zone outside, and that will keep away all the bugs from, destroying your day, basically. Um, I loved it. I just took the bag that it came in and I put the little pads in here and just kind of tied it to it. So that way I always have these together. Now, let's talk about bugs in your RV. This is a great thing for bugs in your RV. It is rechargeable, it's USB-C, and it has a physical on-off switch. You can click it on and off. I've used it, so it is dead right now, but it has LED lights in here, and I use the heck out of this thing. But the LED lights would turn on, and then the bug zapper would zap the bugs. You probably get maybe, I'm going to say, 3 days worth of bug zapping out of this, at nighttime when you want to get rid of the bugs that came in at night. So, you know how it is. You have the door going open and shut all the time. You come in for the rest of the night, and you got, a few bugs running around. Just turn this on for, a few hours at night. It'll kill them real quick. Get rid of all the bugs in your RV. So I like it. I'm sorry I couldn't show you it, but I recently have been using it. This is for two purposes. For water saving, because, RVs don't have a lot of water. And also to keep your gray tank cleaner. So as you know, you put this in the sink, and you can get all your garbage from your food and everything good on your sink. Well, you push it down and it stops the flow of water, so it's a sink stopper. That way you can fill your sink up and wash dishes or whatever you need to do. And then you unpush it and it drains the water, but also you can pull the little basket out and empty any grime that you got, out of your, food or whatever. It just keeps it from going into your gray tank. And the reason why that's cool is you can, if you're boondocking, say, and you want to keep your gray tank as clean as possible, because you can actually run filters. And I have another video here to show you how to run filters to filter your water, to dump your gray tank water out on BLM land. And it's legit because you're dumping clean water on BLM land. But like I said, just watch the video and you'll see. But this helps that out a lot. And my final thing is a cup. Now, this is a stainless steel 2-layer. So it has a layer on the inside and outside. And you can see the reason why I like this is I can drink my coffee in the morning in it, and it keeps the coffee nice and hot, until I'm done. And because it's a good size, you can still drink your tea or whatever else you have, soda or, whatever you're drinking all day, even water. It's just a good size. And because of the lining. It'll keep your drinks cool also. So it's my dual purpose. I keep this and no other cups in the RV, and it does everything. I can easily clean it out because it's stainless steel. It's the one cup for everything. So that's it. Again, I'm gonna say, keep watching us because you all make it happen.